Guys, today I'm talking about the top 4 play-to-earn NFT games of 2023. I know you're excited as me, so do me a massive favor and keep supporting this channel by hitting that like button right now before we even get through. But note this disclaimer, I'm not financial advice, I do this for education purposes only. So let me show you that top 4 right now. Guys, the first thing I'm going to talk about is MMORPG. Now, this is an incredible project that has so many different games over here, right? And what I want to distract you with is looking at how amazing these games are, all right? It shows you what's trending right now, all these different games. We've got 4-story, 8-bit MMO. These are all games that you can use to play to earn. So the first thing I want to talk about is this whole project as a whole. It's not one just NFT, all right? Hero Wars is a fantastic game. I've actually played it myself. What you want to do is scroll through these and find games that you want. It has their ratings on the right-hand side, 6.94, 5.99. All right, so you can get a feel for what games you want to go on. But let me direct you quickly to an article about this. What I do is go over to the bingeful.com, all right, /MMORPG NFT games, and have a little read about what it's saying, because in a nutshell, okay, what these are is an abbreviation for massively multiplayer online role-playing games. And what they exactly do, all right, is it combines all the elements of the MMO and RPG use the NFT play to earn technology. As you can see here, it's combining it all for you, so you can go in here and decide what it is that you want to get entertained by. Guys, we all make money, all right? Well, we're all trying to make money with NFT games, all right? But not a lot of us have the entertainment. So get on one of these games, find what you like, and start getting involved with the entertainment. So that's the number 1 thing I want to talk about. Let me jump on to number 2. The second one I want to talk about is Axis Metaverse Battle Royale. Guys, let me just quickly show you the trailer to this. So it's only a minute long, but I'm going to show you a quick snippet to it. You can see here it's a Battle Royale online game, guys. This is an incredible game, all right? Your NFTs are actually used in the PvP, so you can use this and earn yourself some crypto. Guys, I love this because the entertainment, the ease of use, the user friendliness of this. Okay, like I said, I'm not going to show you the whole trailer. Please go over here and do your own research. But this is the website, all right? There's over 30 million daily active users already, 2 billion installs, and it's a top 3 in the mobile game publishers. You can get it on anything, all right? Google Play as well. You can see here it's got 3.4 reviews, over 50,000 downloads. It's incredible, right? The first game of the Axis Metaverse, this crypto game, you actually can join large battle royales. Guys, I love this, all right? You can earn and trade NFT assets in here. I really, really like what they've done with the game and how they've managed to bring in Battle Royale, which is the most famous of games out there. So guys, that's number 2. Let me jump to the third one I'm talking about today. The next one I'm talking about is Chainers. And guys, you can see already how really cool the pixelated NFTs look. Now, they're powered by Polygon, which is a big, big yes for me, all right? And you can see what they sort of look like, these pixelated stickmen, all right? Over 1,000 unique NFTs on it, 15 chain races, so you discover over 100 plus levels, and obviously unlimited free NFTs every single day. What you're doing is playing, trading, and creating this, okay? So say hi to these. Let me just have a little snippet of the video for you. So a little snippet into what this trailer looks like. All right, trailers, you can see Chainers is really cool. You get your own little avatar like this as your NFTs. You can have all different kind of NFTs, all right? You're getting early access with it right now because we are in super, super early, guys. So if you like that pixelated look and you're loving this, all right, go out and gather some resources, get the NFTs popping, and start getting free NFTs every single day. All right, guys, like at the start, it says here, getting free NFTs every single day. Just give that a click and get involved. That's the third one I want to talk about today, guys. Super, super easy. Now let's jump on to last but not least, number 4. And last but not least, but maybe my favorite, all right, we're talking about Mad Max, which is actually in the developing mode. So we're super, super early, okay? Really, really interesting. Mad Max of the Mad Max plot fame has recently launched his own cryptocurrency. Guys, it's super cool if you go through this article, exactly what we're talking about, right, with the MMX node and the cryptocurrency, which is MMX. And it's based on Chaya's proof of space system, along with Solana's VDF, all right? Still very early on, but you can actually build and deploy a node and start plotting. It's going to look a little bit like this picture here, all right? Obviously not that realistic. It's going to be graphic, but it's going to look really, really cool. And you can actually go in there, start plotting lands around, all right, and look for the retirement plots, which are K30s, all right? You can use K32 plots with MMX, but they still won't be compatible with Chaya. That won't make sense to you right now until you've really dove into this. Guys, please just go on this article and do your own research into what exactly is going on here, all right? You can see different ones on here, update on them. So let's have a look at this, all right? There's all different articles talking about this, and the reason everyone's talking about it is because it's going to be incredible. All right, guys, that's number 4 on my list. Guys, let me know if you enjoyed this by hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.